Hello everyone, this is Kumar Swami. So in this session we will discuss service oriented architecture, that is SOA, service oriented architecture. Right? By using service oriented architecture, you have to transmit the data from one node to another node or exchange the data between two devices, whether it is nodes or devices or any two systems, right? So the main intention of service-oriented architecture is used to exchange the data between two nodes. And here, service-oriented software engineering as a significant and object-oriented software engineering building applications. So it is based on the services allows companies and other organizations to cooperate and make use of each other business functions. And service oriented applications may be constructed by linking the services from the various providers using their standard programming languages or specified workflow languages. So they are using different types of programming languages based on the clients. And here, service-oriented architecture (SOA) means it is a developing distributed systems. Right. So this is one of the distributed system where the components are standard alone services. So this is one of the distributed systems and services are standard alone services. And services may execute on different computers or different platforms and from the different service providers. And here standard protocols have been developed to support service communication and information exchange, right? So the main intention of this structure, this service oriented architecture, right, used to exchange the data between from web service consumer to web service providers. Consumers means sometimes, so this is called as a customers, right? I mean clients, and service providers means that is a server. And here, what are the benefits? Benefits of soft service oriented architecture. Number one, that is it provided locally or outsources to the external providers. This is the first benefit of the SOA. And services are language independent. Here it supports the language independent. And next one is the inter-organizational computing is facilitated through the simplified information exchange. So now coming to here, what are the key standards? What are the key standards in service-oriented architecture? Number one, first one is a simple object access protocol, that is a SOAP, SOAP, simple object access protocols. And here message exchange standards that supports the service communications and WSDL, web service definition language. And here the WSDL, web service definition language, it allows a service interface and it's binding to be defined. And one more thing, WS web services business process execution language, because of clients will select the different types of programming languages, right? So here first one is a service. So here service means it is a loosely coupled and reusable software component, right? The next one is here web service consumers. It is a first of all registered into the UDDI registry, and next one is a UDDI registry into the web service providers, and web service providers to provide the information to the web service consumer. Consumer means clients. UDDI registers means users are stored the information through the UDDI, then informed to the providers, and providers will send the informations to the consumers, right? So here we are exchanging the information in between web service consumer and web service providers. And one interface is there, that is about the universal definition, description and discovery and integration. That is about UDDI registry, right? So this is about the small introduction about service oriented architecture. Right? Once again, service oriented architecture means it is a exchange the data in between client and server. According to web services, clients means web service consumer, and next one is server means web service providers. So in between we have UDDI registry is there. So what is the purpose of UDDI registry? So this is a one of the interface, right? Interface between web service consumer and web service providers, right? Thank you one and all for watching my video.